Apple is reportedly ordering crazy amount of displays this year. We have a lot of rumors on the OnePlus 6, and we have more rumors on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And is it possible that we get new display technology on the next Apple Watch? Hi there, and welcome to TechPlover Weekly. Apple is reportedly ordering crazy amounts of smartphone displays this year. It is expected that they will order around 270 million smartphone displays throughout 2018. The largest portion of these 270 million displays, around 110 and 130 million displays, will be OLED for the iPhone X and the next version of the iPhone X. The rest of the displays will be LCD panels, rumored for the cheaper versions of iPhones, such as iPhone SE 2 and a cheaper version of the iPhone X. This at least confirms that the majority of phones from Apple this year will have OLED displays, which is really good. Apple proposed this week to the Unicode Consortium to add 13 new emojis focused on disabilities. Apple is requesting these emojis to better represent people with disabilities. The proposed new emoji suite includes people using hearing aids, canes, wheelchair, guiding dog, and prosthetic limbs. Apple says that this is just the starting point, hinting that there might be some more accessibility emoji to come. Now we are getting some rumors on the OnePlus 6, and it is expected to launch in June. And it's also expected to have the iPhone X notch. We might be getting a glass back that will pave the way for wireless charging. And just recently, a spec sheet leaked that is rumored to be for the OnePlus 6. There we have information that it will have 6.28-inch display with a 2280 by 1080 display resolution. It will have a 19:9 aspect ratio and dual camera setup on the back, one 20 megapixel camera and one 16 megapixel camera. And on the front we will have a 20 megapixel camera. It will sport the Snapdragon 845 chip and come with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM. And the storage will be up to 256GB. We are still getting some rumors on the Galaxy Note 9. But the rumors are quite conflicting regarding the in-display fingerprint reader. Some rumors say it will be included, but some rumors say it won't. But that's of course how rumors go. But the rumors are that Samsung Electronics is working on improving the in-display fingerprint reading technology. But the majority of the industry say that the in-display fingerprint reading technology is not yet at the mass production stage. We still have Vivo in the spotlight. And now they have announced the Vivo V9. It has a staggering 24 megapixel front-facing camera and 6.3-inch display with a resolution of 2280 by 1080, and will get the 19:9 aspect ratio that is getting very popular these days, and we also will get the 90% screen-to-body ratio. We'll get the Snapdragon 626 processor, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, and we will get a headphone jack. And last but not least, we are getting some rumors on the Apple Watch Generation 4. Apple has a secret facility in California where they are producing prototype micro-LED screens, according to Bloomberg. The manufacturing factory is 62,000 square feet, which is the first for Apple. It already has 300 engineers designing and producing micro-LED screens for future Apple products. An engineer from this facility says they already have a functioning micro-LED display for the Apple Watch. These new light-emitting compounds in the micro-LED displays are thinner, brighter, and less power-hungry, which is really good for a small device like the Apple Watch. But unfortunately, the rumors also say that we might have to wait a few years for these micro-LED panels to show up in any Apple products. We might have to wait around 2 years for them to show up in the Apple Watch, and around 3 to 5 years for the iPhones. But we'll just have to wait and see what Apple does. These were the news and rumors for this week, and stay tuned for my next episode of TechPlover Weekly. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in my next video.